Hello, good morning guys. This is Michelle with Chalk and Creativity. As you're tuning on, say hello. So I wanted to do some quick lives to show y'all the new chalk box kits that will be available starting tomorrow. So today we're going to start off with the smallest kit. So there's 4 different kits with 3 price ranges. This one is the small kit and comes with our board and base, do small things, transfer, and it comes with 2 paste packs in the color of honeydew and peony, but you'll be getting the paste pack singles and not the actual jars of chalk paste, and it's $19.99. Okay, so I'm going to just show you how to do this project real quick so you guys can see. Oops, it's kind of bright. Hey Serena. Hold on, I'm trying to move these lights. So anyway, so you'll get this board and base. And the board and base is double-sided. So I do love that. So you get this wooden base. And this board and base, you can either put it horizontally like that, or you can put your design vertically, okay? So if y'all have any questions on the chalk boxes, let me know. It's not a subscription, so you buy as you want, as many as you want. It's just like a craft kit that comes with all your good stuff. So this is the Do Small Things chalk box. So you'll get the board and base, the A-size transfer small things, and 2 paste packs in peony and honeydew. So you're just going to peel off your transfer. And then I have my fuzzing towel here, which these will be back in stock this week. Most likely all the restocks that I had posted about, including this fuzzing towel, will be back tomorrow on my website. So keep checking. So you're just going to fuzz it. This is brand new, so I haven't used this transfer, so I'm going to fuzz it a couple times. Fuzzing is just making it less sticky. Okay, so you're just going to put your transfer on your board and base. And this is a good investment for these smaller ones if you want to kind of change out and play with your craft kits, because you don't have to make it permanent. You can just wash it down when you're ready to change. Or you can flip it to the other side and just change that until you're ready. So I got a little lint right here. But I want to know y'all's thoughts on our chalk box kits. Okay, so in the example, now you don't have to do this. Serena, get this on, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be back in stock tomorrow. The date was for this week, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be tomorrow. So I'm just gonna follow what the paste colors you'll get with this kit, just so you guys can see it. So they did the words and stuff in the peony and the greenery in the honeydew. So this is the honeydew color. And remember, you won't be getting the jars, you'll be getting the paste packs. And this is the peony, that pink, beautiful pink color. Okay, so you're just gonna stir up your paste. So, haven't chalked in a while, so I'm going through withdrawals. But let me know how y'all's morning's been. Okay, so my paste is a little thick, So I'm gonna add some water. So you just add a spritz of water. Hold on. Hope I get some water. And then you just mix it. So this is a beautiful green for spring. And this color, once again, is Honeydew. Oops. So I already got it on my transfer. So you just spritz it until you get a yogurt type consistency. And this one's pretty thick, so. Okay, that one's good. And then I'm gonna mix my peony. So this one was from the paste pack that I put in an empty jar just so I wouldn't waste it. But look how many times I've been using it. So the chalk box kits are strictly for our customers because as a designer you can get all those pieces yourself. This is just to help the customers because sometimes they don't know what to get or they just want a quick kit, a DIY kit. So it's easy for them to just get the chalk box kits. Because those, anything that's in the chalk box kits are not exclusive, like the Club Couture program, the subscription program. So you can buy all these transfers individually or you can just get the whole kit and then you have your whole project. But if you want exclusive, what am I talking about? Exclusive transfers and a monthly subscription thing, then that is our Club Couture program. And you can sign up and then your thing will start in April, and you can do the March Be Fabulous transfer as your add-on for the current club kit. And if you're just joining, like if you do decide to join our subscription or my monthly subscription, I do highly recommend getting the Kickstart kit because that's a great value and it gives you this board, the Aiden board, so all your tools that you would need to do your projects. And you can only get it during initial enrollment. So, okay, so I'm just spreading the peony. Then we're gonna use my multi-tool here, and then we're just gonna do the greenery. So quick, easy project. You just wanna cover all the areas. And remember, this chalk box kit will be $19.99 plus shipping and tax. And they'll start being available on my website tomorrow. Probably after 10 a.m. Central Time. Okay, so take off your excess. And then you're going to peel. And we're going to get perfection. So look at that. OMG. Voila, how cute is that? So that is your small do small things chalk box kit. There you go. This is the small, do small things. This is the smallest one of our kits. And there it is. Okay, if y'all have any questions on the chalk box kits, feel free to comment or message me. Other than that, I will show you each of them once a day, okay? So tomorrow we'll do the Bonjour one. All right, y'all have a good rest of the morning, and then check me back on my business page for a live later today. Bye, guys.